Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Audacity export problem. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, open Audacity and import your audio file. Then click File and choose Export Audio. Select a save location such as the desktop, enter a file name, choose MP3 as the audio format and click Export. If the export fails, try saving the file to a different folder. You should also change the file name because an existing file with the same name can sometimes cause export problems. If you see an overwrite message, choose a new file name and try exporting again. Next, go to Edit, then Preferences and Open Directories. Check that Audacity has access to a valid save location. After that, close Audacity and open it again. Repeat the export process and check if the file is saved successfully. These simple steps solve most export problems in Audacity and help you save your audio correctly. That's how to fix the Audacity export problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.